You're watching Dancehall and News TV. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. And now the news. Chronixx is calling on dancehall artists to release more positive music. The reggae singer has been vocal about the type of music he chooses to focus on and often weighs in on other artists' music that he thinks are not socially acceptable, including music from controversial figures like Vybz Kartel. Chronixx performed in front a jam-packed crowd at Moss Camp in Kingston last weekend, where he took time out to speak out against crime and to call for his musical counterparts to stop recording violent music. Right now the people of Jamaica need to hear some things, and that's why you have people like us. Music is a choice and every youth have a choice, Chronixx said. You can choose what you want to motivate your actions. Whole heap of brethren we have we drop out last week, the week before that. Warfare a gwan in a wee place, and yet still you have some man who willing to talk about how much gun dem bus in a dem tune or whatever, like the killing is a joke thing. Chronixx recently received his first Grammy nomination for Best Reggae Album for his debut LP Chronology. He also picked up a Prime Minister's National Youth Awards for Excellence for his contribution to arts and culture. Chronixx has been having a phenomenal year with the release of his debut album and his hugely successful Chronology tour. So far he has covered North America and the Caribbean with the tour and will be heading to Europe and Africa next. And that is the news. Thank you for watching Dancehall and News TV. Please like and share the video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will be notified of new videos as soon as they are uploaded. So until the next video. Laugh with them but don't trust them. I'm out.